बक्षी काल आशिल्लो तरी खंय असो प्रश्न सध्या गोंयभरच्या लोकांक पडला। मंत्री निळकंठ वर्सेस गौरव बक्षी प्रकरणाची सुनावणी काल म्हापसा जेएमएफसी कोर्टान जाल्ली। बक्षीन जामीनाचो अर्ज केल्लो, मात सांजे 4 मेरेन श्युरिटी हाडपाची ताकीद ताका कोर्टान दिल्ली। बक्षी श्युरिटी हाडपाक पावलो ना, जाका लागून कोर्टान कोलवाळे पुलिसांक बक्षीक 14 दीस न्यायालयीन कोठडीन दवरपाचो आदेश दिल्लो। त्या प्रमाण ताका न्यायालयीन कोठडीन दाखल केल्लो आनी रिकॉर्ड्सां प्रमाण तो थंयच आशिल्लो अशी माहिती म्हापसा एसडीपीओ संदेश चोडणकर हांणी दिली। मात ह्याच संबंधान बक्षीन एक व्हिडिओ जारी केलो, जातून आपूण घराच आशिल्ल्याचो दावो ताणें केला। आपूण न्यायालयीन कोठडीन आशिल्ल्याची बातमी फट अशें ताणें आपल्या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगला। मात जर बक्षी कस्टडीन आशिल्लो जाल्यार तो आपूण घरा आसा अशें कित्याक म्हणटालो? तशेंच बक्षी जर घरा आशिल्लो जाल्यार पुलीस अधिकारी तो कस्टडीन आशिल्ल्याचो दावो कित्याक करताले असो प्रश्न सद्याक जायत्या लोकांच्या मनान घर करून आसा। कोण खरो उलयता आनी कोण फटींग उलयता हाचेर सद्याक लोकांचे भासाभास चल्ल्या।
Court had directed him to produce surety before 4 p.m. and as the surety was not produced, court directed Kolwai police station to lodge him in judicial custody for 14 days. Accordingly, he was lodged in the judicial custody for 14 days. Thereafter, jailer gave us a letter of escort requesting to provide escort to produce him in the court of JMFC Mapsa on 25th July at 2:30 p.m. Thereafter, I don't have any idea what had happened thereafter.
So that actually bail fully grant झाली no, and मागीर किने full papers formalities pending उरलेले.
For want of surety, he was sent to judicial custody. That was a court direction to us, which we obeyed, and lodged him in the judicial custody at Kolwai.
So yesterday he was in JC.
As per the records, we had lodged him in the judicial custody.
Hi everyone, good evening. Just been brought to my attention there seems to be some breaking news about me being 14-day judicial custody. I think the answer is clear, I don't need to say this, but of course that's false. I'm not sure how that news has come about, but it would be nice if the media could do a fact check before publishing news on various, not just this that I'm talking about, but any other facts about the case. You're most welcome to reach out to me. I am available. I will give a more detailed update tomorrow to everyone. Thank you, and I hope you're all well.